In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset elochess.com. Many chess.com players eventually reach a point where they wonder whether it's possible to reset their elo rating. This often happens after a long losing streak, a period of inactivity, or significant improvement in playing strength. Sometimes players simply want a fresh start and feel that their current rating no longer reflects their actual skill level. If that's something you've been thinking about, this tutorial will explain exactly how elo ratings work on chess.com and what options are available if you want to begin again with a new rating. Before attempting any changes, it's important to understand a key limitation. Chess.com does not provide a built-in option that allows users to manually reset their elo rating on an existing account. Unlike some platforms that offer a reset feature, Chess.com permanently associates your ratings and game history with your account. This means ratings for formats such as Rapid, Blitz, and Bullet cannot simply be erased and restarted through a settings menu. Because of this policy, there is no reset button that instantly returns your rating to its original starting point. Your rating history remains connected to your account and continues to adjust based on the games you play over time. However, there is one method that effectively allows you to start over with a fresh rating. The process involves closing your current chess.com account and creating a completely new account afterward. Since a new account begins with a new rating profile, it functions as a fresh start on the platform. To begin, open chess.com and sign into the account whose rating you would like to reset. Once you're logged in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This will open the Account Settings area, where you can manage profile details and account preferences. Next, select the Account section from the menu located on the left side of the page. This section contains various account management options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you locate the option labeled Close Your Account. Click this option to begin the account closure process. Chess.com will display several confirmation prompts to ensure that you understand the consequences of permanently closing the account. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen and confirm the closure when prompted. Keep in mind that closing the account permanently removes the account and its rating history. Once the account has been closed, the final step is to create a new chess.com account. After registering the new account, you'll begin with a fresh rating that will adjust naturally as you play games and establish your new performance level. And that's how to reset elo on chess.com by starting over with a new account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel,